Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Pandas interview questions. Pandas is Python's most powerful data manipulation library, essential for any data science role. Today, we'll cover the core concepts you need to master: data frames for organizing data cleaning techniques to prepare your datasets, aggregation methods for statistical analysis, and merging operations to combine multiple data sources. Whether you're preparing for your first data science interview or looking to strengthen your Pandas skills, this tutorial will give you the practical knowledge employers are looking for. A data frame is the fundamental data structure in Pandas. Think of it as a powerful spreadsheet or database table in Python. It's a two-dimensional labeled data structure with rows and columns, where each column can contain different data types like numbers, strings, or dates. The key advantage is that both rows and columns have labels called indices, making data access intuitive and efficient. To create a data frame, you import Pandas as PD, then use pd.dataframe with a dictionary where keys become column names and values become the data. This simple structure forms the foundation for all data manipulation tasks in Pandas. Data cleaning is the essential first step in any data analysis project. Real-world data is rarely clean. It contains missing values, duplicates, and incorrect data types that can ruin your analysis. Pandas provides powerful methods to handle these issues. The drop-n method removes rows with missing values, while fill-n replaces missing data with specified values like unknown. The drop-duplicates method eliminates duplicate rows, and the info method gives you a complete overview of your data structure, including data types and memory usage. Remember, clean data is the foundation of reliable analysis. Data aggregation transforms raw data into meaningful statistical summaries. Pandas offers several built-in functions for this purpose. The sum function calculates total values across columns or rows, while mean provides average values. The min and max functions identify extreme values in your dataset, and count tells you how many non-null values exist. For comprehensive statistics, the describe method generates a complete statistical summary including count, mean, standard deviation, and quartiles. You can also use the agg method to apply multiple aggregation functions simultaneously, giving you a complete picture of your data's distribution and characteristics. Modifying data frame structure is a common interview topic and essential skill. Adding new columns is straightforward. Simply assign values to a new column name using square brackets. To remove columns, use the drop method with axis equals 1 to specify columns, or axis equals 0 for rows. You can drop multiple columns or rows by passing a list of names or indices. The drop method returns a new data frame by default, but you can modify the original by setting in place equals true. These operations allow you to reshape your data to match your analysis requirements and remove unnecessary information. GroupBy Operations follow the split-apply-combine workflow, a fundamental concept in data analysis. First, you split your data into groups based on column values using the GroupBy method. Then you apply an aggregation function like sum, mean, or count to each group. Finally, Pandas combines the results back into a new data frame. This pattern is incredibly powerful for analyzing data by categories. For example, calculating total sales by product category or average scores by student grade. You can also use the agg method with GroupBy to apply multiple functions simultaneously, providing comprehensive group-wise analysis. Pivot operations reshape your data from long format to wide format, transforming unique values in one column into separate columns. This is particularly useful for creating summary tables and preparing data for analysis. The basic pivot method requires 3 parameters: index for row labels, columns for the new column names, and values for the data to fill the table. For more complex scenarios, pivot table provides additional functionality with built-in aggregation. When you have duplicate entries, pivot table automatically applies aggregation functions like sum or mean. These operations are essential for creating readable summary reports and preparing data for visualization. Merging combines data from multiple data frames based on common columns or indices, similar to database joins. Pandas supports 4 types of joins. Inner join keeps only rows that exist in both data frames, left join keeps all rows from the left data frame, right join preserves all rows from the right data frame, and outer join includes all rows from both data frames. Use pd.merge with the on parameter to specify the common column and the how parameter to choose the join type. Alternatively, the join method merges data frames on their indices. These operations are crucial for combining data from different sources in real-world projects. A systematic data analysis workflow ensures reliable and reproducible results. Start by loading data from various sources using methods like read CSV, read Excel, or read Parquet. Next, clean your data by removing missing values with drop and eliminating duplicates with drop duplicates. Then explore your data using describe for statistical summaries and info for structural information. Finally, analyze your data using GroupBy Operations, aggregations, and other techniques we've covered. This end-to-end pipeline transforms raw data into actionable insights, and following this systematic approach is exactly what interviewers want to see. Let's summarize the essential concepts for your Pandas interviews. DataFrames are tables with labeled rows and columns that form the foundation of all operations. Always clean your data first by handling missing values and duplicates before analysis. GroupBy Operations enable powerful aggregation and analysis by categories using the split-apply-combine pattern. Merge operations combine datasets from multiple sources using various join types. To excel in interviews, practice with real datasets to understand common data quality issues, learn method chaining for efficient code, understand different data types and their implications, and focus on these common operations that appear in most data science roles. With these fundamentals mastered, you're ready to ace your Pandas interview.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.